I definitely recommend NCS. Really, for me, it's the centre that has everything. Like holistically, NCS is just very, very good. My dream kind of going into NCS was always to become a doctor. I now study medicine at UCL. It's just the greatest feeling ever, like seeing your dreams come to reality. And I think NCS, for like many of us, played like a huge part in making sure those dreams became a reality. At NCS, we weren't just fed textbooks, but we were like taught how to apply the knowledge that we learn and really, really understand principles rather than regurgitate them. And that's kind of translated now into medicine, where I feel like my learning style is not to memorize anything, but it's more to understand principles. NCS, what it really, really does, it pushes you to the upper limits of like, you know, your intellectual capabilities. So super curriculum was very, very useful because A, it kind of elevated your thinking, B, it kind of helped you reason your arguments and stuff as well. So when I'm sitting in kind of like small seminar rooms and doing small group work, I'm at the point where I'm confident with my own views and kind of like the principles that I've learned and the stuff that I've learned and the ethics that I've learned, and being able to like reason an argument. I think that's really, really important. My work experiences in terms of medicine were things that NCS really, really helped me get. And I think those were just so eye-opening in terms of seeing the potential career that I was going to go into. It showed me the strengths and the weaknesses of medicine, so it gave me quite a holistic view. They're designed to gauge whether you like something rather than just kind of like shove you into a queue for like medicine or for law. That's not the case, and I think NCS is really, really good in terms of it helps you kind of decipher what type of person you are, what your career aims are, and then kind of provides you with similar opportunities to kind of just understand your aims and your objectives and things that you want from your career. There's a range of things that not just me but a lot of my cohort come back to NCS for. So we run kind of some of the higher education launch days. So I remember sitting in that position just 3 years ago and so worried about the whole university thing. And so now, because we're here, it's just really, really nice to come back and kind of give advice to, you know, to students that were in the same position as you. So for medicine, so for me at least, I come in and help with things like personal statements, the notorious UK CAT and BMAT. Those are like two very, very kind of difficult admissions tests. But me and a lot of my friends come down to NCS and kind of get into the mind of the examiner and show students what they're really looking for. I think the NCS is a hub of like-minded students who really, really want to kind of reach their upper limits and really push themselves to become the leaders of tomorrow. I think NCS most definitely has given me skills to kind of cope with university, but also to really, really become a leader and like a person who kind of cultivates change.